To fix the issue of being unable to sign in to Cash App on your device, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unreliable connection can prevent the app from functioning correctly. Next, check if the Cash App is down or experiencing technical difficulties. You can do this by visiting the Cash App website or social media accounts to see if other users are reporting similar issues. If the issue persists, try restarting the Cash App. Sometimes, simply closing and reopening the app can resolve the problem. Additionally, make sure you are using the correct login credentials. Double-check that your email address, phone number, and password are correct. If you are still having trouble, try resetting your password. It is also possible that the issue is related to your device. Try uninstalling and reinstalling the Cash App to see if this resolves the issue. Another potential cause is that your account has been locked due to suspicious activity. In this case, you will need to contact Cash App support to verify your identity and unlock your account. To avoid this issue in the future, make sure to keep your device and Cash App updated with the latest software and security patches. Finally, if none of the above steps work, contact Cash App support directly for further assistance. They will be able to provide you with more personalized help and resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of being unable to sign in to Cash App on your device. Remember to always prioritize your account security and keep your login credentials safe.